Let's wait for a few people to get in here. I'm live. No. One of these days I'm gonna figure out how to use this app. But like, you know, it's the intro to the stream. So, my channel? Oh yes, the for loop challenge. Well, it's a past broadcast. Ah, yes, live. Perfect. But like, you know, it's the intro to the stream. Let me just turn this volume down. We should have enough battery. That battery starts to die, we'll have to unplug the light, and then we won't have enough light, so. Okay. Are you guys ready for the for loop challenge? All right, so the goal of the for loop challenge, because you people always are like, what's he doing? What's the goal? We're gonna add for loops to Clang. Yeah. Yo, what up? What up, boys? What up? We're gonna add for loops to Clang. Okay, so let me explain. So also, SWS stands for Smoking Weed Stream. So, you know, if you guys are taking this as professional career advice, you're an idiot. If you guys are taking anything I say as professional career advice, you're an idiot. That's right. Okay. Good evening, Mayfield TV. This is Smoking Weed Stream. The weed was smoked off stream. The weed was not smoked on stream this time. Yeah, that's right, cringe. Someone sent me an email. They're like, yo, George, you know what would make Hammer better is if you did it as a B2B app. And I'm like, fuck you and your MBA bullshit, man. Who cares what the business model is? I'm too upset about it to even talk about it. And that's why we're adding for loops to Clang. Okay, now let me explain how for loops work, okay? So normally you have a for loop. Everyone knows a for loop. So I can say something like for int I equals 0. Why is it changing my shit? Don't change my shit. Check spelling as you type. No, don't check my spelling. That's right. All right, so let's say we have something nice like this. Or it checked my spelling as I typed. Oh, correct spelling automatically. That's the problem. Yeah, okay, cool. We in this. All right. I don't give a shit about Congress and the companies, dude. I don't care. You know what? Honestly, I even regret talking about making Hammer because you fucks take it as a political statement, you know? It's like the mask shit. Like, I don't care, man. Oh, yeah, you should really stick it to Google. I don't care. We're making for loops, all right? So get ready for what a for loop is. Sorry I wasn't streaming for the last 2 days. I'll show you guys what I was doing. Since it's open source, I can show you. I got a contract. I got a job. You know, I was on some real Mr. Peanut Butter shit. You guys know Mr. Peanut Butter? Mr. Peanut Butter is the BoJack Horseman guy, and he just like shows up and he's like, is this a TV set? Am I in a television show? Mr. Peanut Butter. You know, that guy. All right. So I wrote this, yeah. I wrote for Optimism, the new Plasma. It's an L2 Ethereum solution. And I wrote this. So you guys can check it out. 3 days, boys. 3 days making money. Got this apartment paid for. I got my phone bill paid. You might even to get yourself an NBA player. Shit, at least to do it with a car, you know? All right. Bob Saget. What's that line? Oh, you know, you can't say that line anymore, but funnier than fuck, you should ask Bob Saget, you know? Never claimed that I knew how to dance. I just get drunk, get high, pull down my pants. So fuck $5, just fill up my cup. Don't kiss me, bitch, you just threw up. All right, no. We're writing for loops, all right? All right, so that's a for loop. So everyone knows what this prints out, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, so we're gonna add a new kind of loop to Clang. It's a for loop. Why'd it correct my spelling automatically? Told it not to. Use the form, I don't know. Whatever. So, if you write a for loop, it's like a for loop, except it does something a little bit different. You see, instead of running this I++ just one time, it runs it 4 times. 5 guys, burgers, and fries, but it's a for loop, all right? 0, 4, 8. That's what it's going to do, right? And we're going to modify Clang. We're going to make a Clang that's a custom Clang that's capable of compiling for loops, you know? Now, but real talk, whoa, 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 don't just do I plus equals 4. You guys aren't thinking, you know, you guys are thinking that we want to accomplish a goal. And for loops are the ultimate in not accomplishing a goal, and that's what we want to do on this stream, because nobody actually needs a for loop, you know? This is the most useless thing. Like, if somebody proposed this in a meeting, I think even businesses that have no taste would understand that for loops are useless. So let's go. We got to get Clang first of all. Let's go in Chrome. First, we got to build Clang. Build Clang. Let's find some instructions. Well, first, we can see what happens if we try to compile a for loop. Let's compile our for loop. Oh, we might have to add it to Vim syntax highlighting. I mean, I'm a little confused, you know. We're of course still going to need an int main. None of that's going to change. Yeah, that looks like a nice program, right? So now when I compile it, we're going to compile it with Clang. Oh, implicit definition of function for. Oh, it thinks I'm making a function. I'm not making a function. I'm making a new kind of loop, boys, and it's called a for loop. All right, so just for reference, we should have a normal for loop as well. You know, maybe we can style this up a little bit. Write a few of those and like a for like that, and then a for like that. All right, now the truth is, boys, I'm not one of those cheating streamers. You know, some streamers are cheaters, and they do all their programming off stream, and they're like, oh, I'm going to look really smart in front of my audience. I'm going to actually have coded this already off stream. No, honestly, I thought of this idea. My friend sent me a text message. It was like, yo, George, what are good books for programming? And I'm like, you know what? The people on the stream ask me this all the time, and the answer is, can't learn programming from books. That's like saying that what's good books for parkour. You can't learn parkour from books. You know, you learn parkour by subscribing to the Parkour Everyday No, you learn parkour by going and smacking yourself against bars a whole lot of times, you know? And that's why I can't do parkour. Because let me tell you, if you could read a book and learn parkour, shit, man, I'd be the next Dalai Lama. But I'm not, so there's that. All right. Sup, everybody. Also, I'm trying to become a Twitch partner. I got to stream 6 more times over the next 20 days. So I believe in us. Team George Hotz, Team Tom Cruise, Team this Twitch channel. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We're going to have to build Clang, first of all. I can download the releases from here. Should we start with a release? No, I think we want to start with Git. Yeah, that's a good choice. Mirror kept for legacy. Project moved. It's a mono repo? They put LLVM in a mono repo? Damn, that shit's crazy. All right, let's go. This might take too long, and if we get impatient, we're going to do depth 1. Yeah, we got impatient. The next hour of the stream is compiling Clang. That's true. Because you know what? Honestly, a lot of programming is just waiting. Sometimes it's thinking waiting, sometimes it's compiling waiting, sometimes it's lazy waiting, sometimes it's Git checking out waiting. We gotta, you know, get this from the internet. Do a DeFi stream. Never subbed, ever donated. Many mangoes. Should I ban them? I don't get free entertainment around here. Oh, okay. All right. We're good. How do I build Clang? Configure and build LLVM and Clang. Shit. CD LLVM project. Make dir build. CD build. Was that the part of the stream that's hiding? CMake // Clang? Can I make Clang? I can't make Clang because I don't have an LLVM. Make LLVM. Oh, God. Zeesh, why do you do that for me? All right, this is looking good. All right, we're making progress. Now, of course, because we're not really lazy slackers, we're going to open up VS Code. VS Code is the best way if you want to read code. So we got to read the Clang project, you know? This was my work on the solidities. But we can just open up a open. Yeah, we're going to open a folder up. Not in the solidities. We're in the fun directory since this is a whole lot of fun. We're writing for loop since the LVM project. Okay, cool. Okay. Now we're going to have to figure out where for loops are defined in Clang. There's probably a parser somewhere. So the basics of the way these things work is you got like a parser, and then like that makes like an AST, and then after we make an AST, we like compile that and stuff, right? CMake tools. Oh, would I like to configure it? No, thank you, but I appreciate you asking. Configure projects on opening. I don't know what configure means. That scared me. You're gonna like LLVM build or something? All right. So somewhere there's probably objects. Let me see if I can zoom in on this for you. We want everybody to be able to see. Somewhere there's probably objects like for. We got to find wherever for is. Decal C++, Decal base. Wow, this is complicated as shit, boys. I don't know how we're going to do this. Did I sign up for something that was too hard? Maybe. All right, let's try searching for I want to search files to include Clang star. Oh, that's not going to work. For. Oh, this is going to be harder than I thought, boys. Wow, look at this. There's like 5 files just dedicated to making comments. Okay. So, well, we assumed it was in the AST. Let's first look at parse. Parse AST? Oh my God, this is hard. Where's the grammar defined? Wow, this thing has more pop-ups than a Hobby King sale. Start from the front end. That's a good point. I like, you thinking good, man? I'm not one of those scam streamers who looks at it all beforehand. We are legitimately just doing this. Terribly, I might add, but we're doing it. All right. Well, I'm in lib already. We should spend more time thinking and less time frantically pressing keys. AST merge. Sure it's in the front end? Let's take a look for things that look like the word grammar. We're putting music on too. This is a music stream. Sorry for all who copyrighted. Yeah. I was listening to this on the way to work, but my AirPods Why did this target everything? I should have CMaked better. I regret my poor CMake. All right, what are you people saying? You know what? I know what time it is. Really, I do something that's for the educations. Yeah, DLVM allow projects Clang. Yeah, we got to do that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. You know what? That's right. Yeah, DLVM allow projects Clang. Right, that's downloading and taking a long time. That's compiling and taking a long time. Everything's taking a long time, boys. Who thinks my patches are good? It's just enjoyable, you know? Like, you get into this state where you're just like flowing through the code and you start seeing and it's just code, 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 and more code. No, it's not a for loop where I++ is actually I plus equals 4. Because if it was I plus equals 2, it would be I plus equals 8. It's a for loop where the last condition runs 4 times. 4. Does that make sense? Does everybody understand what a for loop is? All right, so our goal is to add for loops to Clang. And when you ask why, you're asking a stupid question. And like, you know what, sometimes things get a little bit close to being useful, and when things are a little bit close to being useful, you guys think, oh, why? Oh, would this be good? Should we sell this as a B2C product or a B2B product? I don't know, man. Maybe businesses could use for loops. It could help them get 20% more TPS reports on their leveraged printer buyouts. That's right. You want an example of a for loop? Right there. Now, unfortunately, no language supports the great for loop. Holy shit, I am Terry Davis. No language supports the great for loop construct. And that's why we're adding it in. There's many stupid questions. Check my bio. I even reference stupid questions. Anyone who told you there were no stupid questions probably also taught you to read by just looking at the words instead of being able to recognize them, you know? Oh, okay. We have LLVM now. Now, hopefully, we can just do make on Clang and it's going to work. This isn't going to. That's useless. This okay. Oh, I sure want to delete all 2 files? cmake./clang DLVM enable projects equals Clang. Maybe this will work. Fingers crossed. No LLVM config. LLC? Wait, but... Oh, compilers, you find you may need to set those things. Does that fix it? Oh my god, fine. Was that 88% already? Yeah, build all of LLVM. Go do that. And then we're still going to have to build Clang. Add installation prefix of LLVM to CMake prefix. What? Do I have any LLVM config.cmake? Oh yes, here we go. What do I have to add it to? CMake prefix path, eh? Now we're talking, boys. Now we're talking. I don't know what we're testing here, but it's got to be important. Let me copy and paste. No, don't run away. Yeah, good. What just happened? I don't like that. I don't like any of it. What? It didn't work. Unknown CMake command. Is this because I need a newer CMake? Oh, that's going to upset me. Or is that because I need a newer LLVM? Dude, plugins. Let's try. Fuck plugins. No. Oh. This is a tragedy. It didn't work. You have to like make the versions match or something. It knows I care too much. Yeah, I know. It's upset with me. Alright, we're building LLVM. That was a waste of time. Let's just be patient, you know? Sometimes you just need patience. Now, I still don't know. You guys saw me modify the parser. I modified the AST thingy. We now have this statement here. But I think that, would I like to use a compile commands JSON to auto configure and tell us? This thing really has so many pop-ups. This, we're gonna have to make a full discarded, you know what? How do the parts get stitched together? Wow, act on for statement. Clang is mad complex, boys. Oh my god, yeah, of course, I need a cogen for the AMD GPU. Yes, that's very important. I'm so glad you built that. I can figure out what version of LLVM we have and then rebase my thingies on top of it. All I really wanted was Clang, you know? Which version of LLVM do I have? LVM version 10.0, eh? LVM 10.0, download the Clang source code. What am I doing, chat? Read the what am I doing? Or what am I doing if you don't know goal? All right, we know about that error. We got that error fixed with that. Fingers crossed, boys. Is it gonna build? Oh, this finished anyway. I don't know, I don't trust it. I trust this more. Oh, never mind. What? Can this version of LLVM not build this version of LLVM? No, that's too much, man. I don't know what we're gonna do if that's true. All right, let's go in here. Let's go to build 2. And then we'll go to build 2, and then we'll type cmake //clang. Wait, what? How did that work? That wasn't supposed to work. Yeah, that's what I was supposed to get. But now we can just add LLVM dir. Oh, build? There we go. What? Is this because I broke it? Unexpected input at top level. I think I might have broken that. Okay. Mini raid. What up? Why doesn't this work? Could not find include LLVM option opt parser. Where is that thing? It's in LLVM include opt parser. Why are these files not found? Oh, maybe. How do I build Clang? Do I have to build it in the same thing? There's no Clang here. I don't know. What if I just so for this I did cmake // LLVM, and then maybe I need to enable Clang. But this is gonna bitch and be like, oh, you already did a cmake here. Oh no. Clang project is enabled. Okay, cool. Wow, it's targeting everything. I don't need all those targets. That's too many targets. Okay. I don't know what it's doing now. Wow, look at all that stuff that it's not building. Oh, good. I think this is Clang. Oh, it's going to take forever to rebuild then. Okay. It's building Clang now. We're making good progress. It took a long time. The only question is, are we going to submit a pull request at the end of this, trying to upstream the for statement? No, I don't care what Bezos and Zuckerberg have to say. Look, it's like, who cares? What are they going to do? You know? Whenever I hear the phrase, you're with us or you're against us, I usually hate both of those things. I'm usually both against them and against the people who say those things, you know? Bro, if you care too much, you lose. I mean, that is like relationship theory 101. Oh, too few arguments to function call. Now we're talking. All right, now we got a real bug. All right, real bug. Let's go fix it. Parse statement. Because we have multiple calls to parse for statements. We should really add to parser.h the fact that everybody knows for statements are always true. No, I'm not enlightened centrist. Me, I'm detached. That's the word. Detachment. I'm a detachment man. You know, if the commies want to come and take over, I'll put my hammer and sickle flag up. If the Nazis want to take over, shit, I'll hang my swastika dutifully. That's right. As long as they, leave me alone, and that's all that matters, man. That's all that matters. Just take who's ever in power and, accept it. Because that's the truth about it. You can try to, fight it. But then you're just the guy in the Billy Joel song, man. All right, I think, can we build now? Did I fix the bug? Now it's going to have to build a lot of things because I changed a .h file. Maybe not. Let's go. All right, the dream is when we'll be able to do oh, where'd all my bins go? My bins are gone. Does it rebuild all the bins every time? No, it can't do that. There's too many bins for that. Wow, this takes a long time to build. Oh, that's because we're in Clang source. That was a failed experiment. We got to go in here to build bin. Oh, there are all my bins. Take a look. That's so many bins. Build bin Clang test.c. Oh, that's going to be a great day when that works. And that day is going to be soon. You defaulted for to true. That's a great choice. That's a great catch. We got to make it false. Because if it's true, all my statements will be for statements. And then for statements just won't be special. And how will we have our competitive edge business thing? 493 viewers. Hello. Should we let everybody talk again? Am I allowed to show my money on Twitch? Did we figure that out or not? What's this person saying? Yo, can you unban me? No. Alright, no, the answer is no. Well, I don't make that much money on Twitch. But I do want to be a Twitch partner because, think about it, you know what I mean? There's got to be people out there who work hard to climb that ladder their whole life. They're like, I just want to be a Twitch partner. I saw a guy at TwitchCon, and he was so excited when he got Twitch partner. And it's just like something I'd like to casually do. You know? Because to win is not to care. Because if you care, you lose. Some guy in the comments said that. Wow, this takes a long time to build. do like check marks, you know? The Primogen is the top coding streamer. Redefinition of default argument. Oh, you can't do that, I see. I already made it false over here. But we're going to make it false over there. Do we have a clang yet? No clang yet. We have our very own LVM though, that's pretty cool. We made this LVM from scratch. Wow, version 12. Yo, that's a crazy version. Twitch partner comes with an exclusive clause? No, they couldn't actually do that. No way. You guys are joking, man. Let's Google that. It was too easy to apply for them just to... The Twitch partners. The Twitch partnership program are for those who are committed to streaming. As a Twitch partner, you'll have access to the following benefits. No, it doesn't say anything about being exclusive to Twitch. You guys make a lot of dumb shit up, man. I'm not trying to, you know, disrespect anybody here like that. You know, like sign that kind of disrespect. But I am saying that I don't think that's true. Uh-oh. I'll have to act as a role model to the community, though. I don't currently meet the weight. No, hang on. I don't know what that means. That's a vague term. Vague term. Streamers who complete the Path to Partner achievement in your achievements dashboard will unlock a button. I have that button, but I haven't streamed 12 times in the last 30 days. The minimum criteria we look for in potential partners, and completing them doesn't guarantee partnership. All right, so someone was saying there was some YouTube comment where some guy said he was going to challenge me to some coding game. What was it called? Twitch affiliate program. Yeah, I don't know about it. I'm not part of the affiliate program. Just stop and restart the stream. No, I think it's days. Code Clash. I think that's it. All right, let's go. We gotta wait for it to compile anyway. What else are we doing? All right. Join a clash. Oh, already I gotta sign up. I'm upset. I'm upset. Oh, let's go. How do I play? Well, I better figure it out. I got 90 seconds. Okay, let's go. I've never played this game before, so I don't know what to do. All right, you have to pass the maximum number of tests with the lowest code size. Okay, you must output the first two elements, n1 and n2 were given. The element with index n is the sum of the previous two elements. What? Oh, I see. Okay. So it's a Fibonacci crap thingy. We have We need a ring buffer thingy. Oh, you know what? Does it even matter? It might not even matter. For we'll just say NA equals that for I in range N, or while length of NA is less than N. Print NA sub N minus 1, or NA sub minus 1, NA dot append, NA, is that right? Oh, it didn't work. First number given. What? Output the third element. Oh. So this should be, yeah, NA N minus 1? Yeah, no shit. Oh my god, I'm losing this game, aren't I? Yeah. Alright, go. What do they mean by shortest? I don't even know. Yeah, I'm winning! Oh, I think I should have... Oh, I had to write it really short. Oh, I see. Least bytes. Oh. My clang's built. Yeah, I won. That's right. Number one. Number one. I'm number one. That's right. That's right. Okay. Do we have a clang? Oh, we have a clang. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Fatal error. Standard I/O is not found. Well, no one really needed standard I/O anyway, did they? Oh, it built! Okay. All right, that was good progress. If you'll notice, don't worry about standard I/O, that wasn't that important. But if you notice, it's almost correct, except for the fact that the for loop is, of course, behaving identically to the for loop. That's for with 4 letters is behaving identically to the for with not 4 letters loop. So we need to fix that bug, of course. Now, I'm not sure really how to do it. This is the hardest part. We have an expr result. We have a bunch of options for where we can like add things, and I don't know if these things add, but make full discarded value expression is a full expression arg. Act on finish full expression discarded value true. We might actually have to pass it in to act on for statements. We can pass in what kind of for loop it is, if it's a for with how many letters, and then we want to look at full expr arg third. Check break continue binding. Check for redundant iteration. Expr third. Well, let me just try a little something first and see if it works. I mean, this would work in C as well. So am I allowed to put like multiple things here? Not like that, but what if I put them in these things? It's not allowed. I feel like there's a way to do 2 things there, though. Man, did I pick something unadwittingly really hard? Return new context for statement. Subexpers Inc. For statement. Statement, for statement class. Let's see the for statement class. So where's the thingy that actually makes it a for statement? Check, break, continue binding, third dot get, expert third, blah, 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 for statement. Okay. So we set all these sub-expers. We have to use inc somewhere else. Like, where do we, maybe we have to find the code gen for this. Oh. Set inc. Wow. They really keep this like here we go. Code gen. The increment is essentially part of the body, but it needs to include. Alright, let's just try this. See if it works. And then we'll have to figure out how to pass it all the way through to there. Like we'll have to modify the for statement to see if it's actually a for statement. I should have named them something else so when I say it, it doesn't just say the same word over and over again. But this is what we're doing in case you guys like goal. I don't think it worked. I guess that make didn't finish yet. To be fair, I don't really know what CodeGen PGO. What's a PGO? PGO implementation. I don't know about that. Statement printer, AST reader. Oh, that looks nice. Mark. Walk AST check security syntax. SEMA statement? I don't know what SEMA is either. Well, let's look in CodeGen and see what we can find. It's an includes. libCodeGen? CG expert? 4. Maybe we'll look in includes. CG function info. code gen function. Okay, so somewhere we're creating this thing called a for statement. And if I wanted, I could pass all this stuff down. Oh, well, this actually breaks it if it's a for statement, so we don't do that. How did that work at all with that broken? Okay. Let's just try a quick test. That should throw the assert. Okay, good. Yeah, not a for statement. Okay, cool. That's why we have that there. Make full discarded value expression. It's an expression. Like, I don't really want an expression. Let's just treat it like, for some reason, this doesn't work. And we're going to have to create an act on for state. I mean, I might be able to hack it there, but then do we really learn? And what is this about but learning? Okay. So we made a for statement in the AST context. So we have this thing called for statement. What's a friend class? Public statement, blah, 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 blah. Get ink, get body, reinterpret cast to expression. I don't really see a way to do it there either. There has to be something that's doing matching on this, which is outputting stuff. Transforms, AST importer. Here's statement printer. Oh, code gen function. That doesn't look useful. Code gen PGO looked the most useful. But this visit for statement thing. What is code gen? Profile guided optimization. Well, it can't be that. And coverage mapping gen, rewrite Objective C, parse statement. Oh. CG statement open M. Oh, here we go. What's this? Omit for statement. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, yeah, boys. Yeah, I think we're looking somewhere. All right. Perfect. If there's an increment, omit it next. Okay. If it's a for statement, we omit it 4 times. Okay. This is it. CG statement. I think we found it. And then we're just going to have to wire it up, so we pass that through. And then we've made the best clang in the world with the addition of the for statement. and then we'll fork it and we'll submit a pull request and we'll see if they accept it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 048. If you guys would notice in the what I'm doing, that was the expected behavior, boys. So now we just got to pass it through. All right. So we have a const for statement. So let's just add a if s.isFor statement. Where's this thing? Defined here. Always be building, ABB. Parse statement. Okay, actions act on for statement. We're going to want to add is for statement here. Here, act on for statement. Bool is for statement. When we create a for statement, we'll just go here like that. Now we need to fix this. Wow, those are source locations? Yeah. And now let's go find this actual constructor. Like statement.c or something. Yeah. Now we just say for statement equals is for statement. Boom. C++. Oh no, why is it building so much stuff? No. Okay, so we added this for statement in there. We probably have to add it in. Okay, I added it in there. Where did we not add it? In the action thing. So wherever act on for statement is declared, I think we have to. Here. What's in sema? I hope it's still built. Taking forever to build again. Why not just do another for loop inside? right, you guys, you know what? Y'all get. Yeah, you could use commas. That's a good point. But you're right, it was commas. You almost got a pass for all the non-subscribers, but you didn't. All right, so I think we just got to be patient again. Let's play Clash of Code. Let's go. I didn't win. Oh, I have 5 minutes to write tiny-ass code. All right, let's go. Why did it have to rebuild the whole thing? You get it right now. Let's play Clash of Code. No, it failed. This argument to member is for statement. No, what did that say? Oh, my Clash of Code is coming in. Oh, but this function is not marked const. Oh, I see. Oh, what is this? Reverse mode. Oh, it's just power, I think. Is it power? It's not power. Two, 4 is 16. But 7 to the 11 is not that. It's almost power. I would think it's a different base. Wow. That's pretty brutal. Okay. Well, (539/7) is 77. Oh, so is it just 2 times 2 times 4 and like 7 times 7 times 11 and 456 times 456 times 54? Yeah. Okay, now do we got to make it tiny again? Or does it not matter? It's just m times n, I think. We'll make it tiny just because we can. Do we gotta go tinier? Like, it's a little unfair. What if, like, my boilerplate to parse it isn't as tiny? Actually, it's Python 3. Do I really need... Ooh, if I change it to Python 2... Well, I can't have Python 2. Never mind. This is why I can't have nice things. That's so many bytes. It's a little shorter, I guess. Wait, it was just time? Yo, that's bullshit. I wasted time. No, I'm not interested. Don't try to sell me on your shit. It's not constant. It's got to be constant. Const bool is for statement. Is that better? I don't understand why it's got to rebuild everything now. Warning, const type qualifier on return type has no effect. Oh, I have to like put it here, don't I? God, I don't know any C++. And if you edit this thing, it seems like everything has to rebuild. It's a nightmare. Okay, more Clash of Code. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. No, stop trying to sell me a job. Go, 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 go. Okay, reverse mode again. Some of them have an X next to them and some of them don't. I think just the odd numbers do and the even numbers don't. Yeah, that seems pretty easy. Okay. For I in, n equals input sub I, if n mod 2 equals 1, print else. Now that I know this one's just a race, fail test cases. Boom. What? I lost. Oh. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. For each integer, output the number of ones in its binary representation. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bin x, filter, lambda x, x equals 1, comma, bin x, list bin x, length list filter, rat equals print rat. All right, let's go. Little test cases. Sometimes you just got to be ballsy and... Oh, no, it's shortest code again. No! Oh, my God. I could have wrote much smaller shit. Oh. Why does my Clang take forever to build? How do I know if it's short? Okay, I guess the ones where it's reverse, it's quickest. And then the ones where it's the other one, it's, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, reverse, come on. I can beat you with speeds, boys. Shortest mode, okay. Pass the most tests with the shortest code side. Fine, that means we can take more time. I have 15 minutes. What is this, a chess game? One line containing and the number of elements. One line containing n numbers, the sequence after being shifted. All right, so first when we read any of this, I think we can just say input there to consume that. What do you mean by shifted? Oh, a left shift. Okay. What? Can only concatenate list, not string to list. Oh. And see the error. All right, can we write it shorter? I feel like it's just unfair because, you know, I bet you there's some language where it's like in instead of input. Let's cheat. Oh, some people are using C++. I pity them. Too few arguments being sent to... Yeah, okay, we gotta fix this bug. All right, let's go. That's pretty short. I'm pretty happy with that. "55 characters. That's going to lose. I can tell already. True few arguments to function call in tree transform. Well, you know what? We should really make the function call have a default. So should make it work okay. And then where's that action one as well? That should work, maybe. No. Euler Shijal, eh? Alright, let's get a fastest one so I can just win. I don't like this shortest code game. Oh, reverse mode, yes. Okay. Shit, it's like 64 times 63? Yeah, that's right. Okay, good. So it's just A times A minus 1. Play all test cases. Let's go! Yeah, suck a dick, dumb shits! Yeah, this one was fun. That's right. Winning. This game's stupid, and it's just a way to try to sell you a job. This takes forever to build. Oh my god, like, who built this? How does anybody work on this code? If I didn't set my, like, equals false right, yeah, that's probably why you're not supposed to put those things in headers. Well, I don't know. How does anybody work on this code? I think my for loop is pretty done. Who thinks it works? Did I make it work? Let's read the diff. Okay, we add it there. Bool is for statement const, for statement there. Parse it. If it's called normally, it just returns 0 here. That will inherit the false, which is set there. If it's a for statement, do that. Parse it. We know that's correct. I don't know why I deleted the fix me. I guess it was a stupid fix me. What's the for loop challenge? Well, you know about for loops, but what about for loops? Right? You got to add for loops to Clang. So we're going to compile this beautiful code here. And right now, both for and for loops are acting like for loops. But look, 048, you see, we just want a for loop to be 048, because in a for loop, it runs this statement 4 times. So this is equivalent to this, but with lowercase i's. Yeah. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's right. It's taking too long. You shall have fun. Everyone's a winner, even if 0% of the... Oh, discover coding game for tech hiring. Oh, I knew it was just a hiring funnel. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Oh, I can launch it. No, it's not I equals 4. We're gonna, once my for loops work, I'll demo them for you. Oh, the class has already started. All right, let's go. Fastest number test, most fast possible. All right, cool. Hexadecimal triplet. Okay, cool. So we want to say color 1, 3. We want to say hex 0 plus color 1, 3. R equals that. GB. This can be 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7. Print R, print G, print B, right? Play all test cases. It didn't work. Stir object cannot be interpreted as integer. Who was trying to interpret anything as an integer? Oh no, that's hex. That's not what we want. We want to say int comma 16. God, I lost this. Play all test cases. Yeah, let's go. Oh! You don't run the loop 4 times, guys. None of you all understand the syntax of the for loop, and we're going to have a lesson, and we're going to teach you all how to use for loops after my new improved Clang finishes building with support for for loops. Wow, I really shat all over this code, you know? They'll never upstream this into Clang. Oh my God, it's building LLVM again. Wow, it's really, this was not, next time we do a challenge like this, maybe we'll do a challenge like this tomorrow. Should we do another challenge tomorrow? We're still working on Busy Beaver, but those are the long, serious streams. Those aren't the smoking weed streams. The smoking weed streams, we just do dumb shit. Maybe tomorrow we'll like, I don't know. Oh, I know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Now for loops for GCC, yeah, that one's even more of a nightmare. I don't know, this Clang takes forever to build though. I guess it's all written in C++ and Clang's really slow. Fast Clang. Oh, should we play more? This game's kind of boring. Oh. Oh, why didn't I call it for? Because, I don't know, it's a for loop. Should I do a live leak code contest? Did I do lead code on a stream? Oh my God, it really, wow. This is just, it's hard to look at. Like, this is just, oh my God, stop putting me in your fucking funnels, people, you know? I don't like funnels, I'm claustrophobic. You know what? I wish. Like, when I read a website like this, like, just anybody, are there people in the world who look at that website and like, are like, wow, Google was founded on the belief that everything we do should always respect the user. If I ever make a website that looks like that, somebody needs to fucking slap me, man. You know? Hack the planet. Does anybody, oh wow, look at this. Oh, it's 3 women looking at a Google Pixel phone. Oh, that makes me feel good about Google. You know? Oh, my Clang is done. Oh, that's more exciting than this, but let's go. Fast. Okay. The length of the number of regular 1 unit, what? One will be split into 6 triangles, 2 will be split into 24 triangles. Probably scales with some kind of square thing. I don't know. Is it just n squared times 6? Yeah, victory. No one's beaten that time. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, and the for loops work. Oh, who loves my for loops? You see, when you run a for loop, it only runs the incrementer once, but when you run a for loop, it runs the incrementer. So people are like, oh, well, it's the same as I plus 4, right? So let me change it to I plus 4. You think these two things are going to behave identically? Well, that's probably not a good test. You probably want to do that. And yeah, that is going to behave identically. But what if you do I plus equals 2 here? It's not I plus equals 4. It's actually I plus equals 8. Oh, okay. Stop complaining to me. How many of these did I win? 4 out of 7. What? I don't know, man. All right, but we made for loops work. Now, what should we use our newfound for loop for? It's kind of a useless loop. But like, I think if we call a function in here, and we like do printies, it's gonna run that. Oh wow, it runs that a lot of times. Oh, especially if we don't increment I. Yeah, you see how it print 4 times for each iteration through the for loop. We're gonna call this one super for. Oh yeah, so does everybody understand the syntax? It runs this 4 times if you have a for loop. We did it. Stop the clock. Lots of printies. If you guys want, you can manually type out this diff that's about to scroll across your screen. Stop beeping at me. You can manually type out this diff, and you too can have for statements in your Clang. Let's get diff into temp blah. Yeah. How do I copy it to the clipboard? Mac copy file to clipboard. PB copy. Oh. We'll call it clang4.diff. Add support for loops to Clang. All right, enjoy my beautiful gist. We can feel forever ashamed about removing this fix me. It was a stupid fix me anyway. But there you go, boys. There you go. I hope you enjoyed. No Q&A tonight. I'm done with Q&A because you guys asked stupid questions. All right, good night, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye, streams. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.